Okay, today we have a Plus Alpha. Now this one had a deadline here, which is causing graphic errors, and also a missing security chip, which has been replaced with an EEPROM replacement. Note it's also got strange original non-capped JK parts, but they've been done already. It's also missing the JALECO 3s. But the main fault's been fixed, so let's just put that down a sec, put the ROM board on. And nothing. What the hell? It's because I'm recording, you see. Just kidding. ROM board wasn't on properly. So I also think this one has a sound issue, but I've not tested it properly yet, so let's see. I think an O key's bad, but I could be wrong. Nope, just confirmed on the scope. Yeah, those O keys are good, so yeah, this one just needs the JK03s and it's good to go. So don't need to do much video with this one. I'm pretty well renowned for this game already. So yeah, tell me what you think of the new camera setup. I think it's worse, but you tell me. Anyway, cheers.